Today I plan to take you through a fresh installation of Symfony 5 using Terminal with MAMP Pro 5.7, PHP 7.3.11 and MySQL 5.7.26, and it is assumed that Composer is already installed on your machine. But if it isn't, let me know in the comments below and I'll get a short video uploaded showing how to install Composer. So let's jump right in. What we want to do is cd back to the root directory and cd along to the htdocs directory within MAMP. So cd applications MAMP htdocs. Yeah. So now what we want to do is install the Symfony CLI binary, which is basically, it's an easy way to create new applications. It has an inbuilt web server, and it's great as well for running security checks and things like that. But we'll jump into them further along down the line in upcoming videos. So let's get that installed. So great, that's that installed. Now what we want to do is copy this and paste it back into Terminal. Basically, it makes it shorthand, so when you're making a call, all you have to do is use Symfony rather than the full path to the actual Symfony, the binary file. So yeah, that's that installed. And now what we can do is then use Composer to install the actual Symfony 5 project. So let's jump right into that. So Composer, create project, Symfony /website skeleton. We're just going to call it Beta 5. You can call it anything you want at this stage. I'm just going to stick with Beta 5 for test purposes. Oh, great. That looks like that's us getting the project installed. Super. Yeah, now you can see our new application directory has been created in htdocs, and what we're going to do is cd into that directory. Perfect, everything is there, and now what we're going to use is our Symfony call to start the server. So Symfony server start. Perfect, everything is working as hoped. So let's copy that and paste it into our browser. Great, and that's us, that's it. Simple as that. A few steps and you have your Symfony application set up and ready to go. In my next video, what I will be doing is creating your first page within Symfony and outputting the old faithful hello world. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.